So typically what we'll do is in our kind of setup phase, we'll do our initial keyword research. We'll often identify a set of terms that are going to really match for each of the primary pages on the website. So we let a lot of that keyword research and competitive analysis drive the strategy. So at least we know the focal points. And then once we actually get going with our monthly cadence, that's where we then build out the content based on that topical focus. So it would start with the keyword research, often with Ahrefs, and then basically build almost like a sitemap, but a sitemap keyed to keywords and strategies. So we'll have a primary and then some LSI or synonym related terms, and then we'll kind of use that as the baseline. And then each month, depending on our cadence, we'll start building content around that. So we know kind of where we're at in our roadmap. And that's where things like Page Optimizer Pro comes into play. Obviously, we can write a piece of content knowing what the keywords are, being able to pull the competitors that are already ranking for those terms. But that tool allows us to kind of analyze the content that we create, making sure that once we either add it or update it to the site in question, we're going to have a better chance of ranking for the desired terms.